How to export SQL database in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. Panel settings page, click and enter the phpMyAdmin section under Databases. Here on the left-hand side of the screen, you will find all the databases in your cPanel. To export a database, click and select the database you want to export. Next, on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the Export option in the top menu bar. Click on the Export tab. Now to continue with the process, click the Export button. And done, a copy of the SQL database will be downloaded to your computer. This is how you can export an SQL database in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.